Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here I have a Pasquini G4 and this is a semi-auto version. It's brought in because it wasn't heating, and what we found is that the solenoid valve that allows water to go from the water reservoir onto the boiler was not functioning, and so if the boiler couldn't fill with water, then the water level probe in the boiler couldn't sense that there was water, and so it wouldn't activate the heating element as a safety precaution. But now the valve is replaced, water makes it to the boiler, and the heating element is on once again, and so now the machine is functioning. So let's test it. You can see here holding at about 194, 195. There we go, beautiful. We'll stop at about 2 ounces. Right. Let's also maybe test the steam. Good. And a little hot water. Alright, there you have it. Pasquini G4 semi-auto working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.